Hi, this is Keel's Garage. Welcome to our channel. Searching for the ultimate seat covers for your Ford Edge? We've curated the top options for comfort, style, and durability. Let's dive into the best picks. Number 1. Vankerful's exceptional seat covers perfectly elevate my Ford Edge's interior. Crafted with top-notch materials, these covers not only snugly fit but also exude elegance and durability. The precision in design ensures a seamless installation, adding a touch of sophistication to my ride. The high-quality fabric resists wear and tear, safeguarding my seats from any potential damage. With a blend of style and functionality, Vankerful has truly redefined my driving experience, making every journey comfortable and luxurious. Unveil the ultimate fusion of protection and style with Vankerful seat covers. Number 2. URUN's top-tier seat covers redefine luxury for Ford Edge owners. Crafted with premium materials, they seamlessly meld comfort and style, elevating your driving experience. The tailored design ensures a perfect fit, accentuating the car's sleek contours. Not only do they shield your seats from wear and tear, but they also add a touch of elegance, making your vehicle stand out on the road. URUN's seat covers strike the perfect balance between functionality and aesthetics, making them a must-have for any Ford Edge enthusiast. Number 3. URUN seat covers, designed to elevate your Ford Edge's interior to the next level of style and comfort. These covers are more than just a mere accessory, they're a statement of sophistication and luxury. Crafted to perfection, they snugly fit your Ford Edge, transforming it into a plush oasis of elegance. The premium materials offer durability, while the sleek design and precision stitching exude a modern vibe that's impossible to ignore. URUN seat covers are more than just seat protection, they're a fashion-forward upgrade for your ride. Unleash your Ford Edge's inner charm with these remarkable seat covers, your car deserves nothing less. Number 4. COVERADU seat covers, the ultimate upgrade for your Ford Edge. Automobile glowing star, these seat covers are more than just protection, they're a style statement. Crafted with precision, COVERADU's quality is second to none. Slide into luxury as these covers hug every contour of your Ford Edge's seats, ensuring a perfect fit. The design? Sleek and sophisticated, adding an instant touch of class to your ride. Plus, the easy installation is a game changer. If you're looking for the perfect blend of comfort, durability, and style, COVERADU seat covers are your answer. Elevate your driving experience with COVERADU today. Number 5. Lingo seat covers, the ultimate upgrade for your Ford Edge. These covers are pure perfection. Slip them on and instantly transform your car's interior. The fit is snug and tailored, giving your seats a custom look. Crafted with top-notch materials, these covers are built to last and provide unbeatable protection. Whether you're a daily commuter or a weekend adventurer, these covers are a game changer. Plus, the design adds a touch of luxury to your ride, making every journey stylish. Say goodbye to worries about spills and stains, Lingo seat covers have got you covered. Buckle up for a new level of comfort and elegance. In conclusion, when it comes to protecting your Ford Edge and elevating its interior, the right seat covers can make all the difference. Whether you prioritize durability, style, or a combination of both, the options reviewed here offer excellent choices for any Ford Edge owner. Thanks for watching and enhancing your driving experience with the best seat covers for your beloved Ford Edge.